USB 2.0A to micro B mobile phone charging cable. Ideal for your mobile phone, available in a variety of bright colors. Please note, when using this cable to charge devices, make sure your adapter amperage is compatible. See device and adapter instructions for further details. Supports 480 Mbps transmission speed. The APLWL 2.0A male to micro B cable gives you full performance and colorful personality with many USB devices. It's all about the color. This cable comes in a whole variety of colors to match your personality. Hard or soft feel plastic. We have made these cables so personal you can even feel between hard PVC plastic and soft rubberized feel TPE plastic. Just another way to make the cable your very own favorite go-to wire and sure to get noticed. Hard feel, PVC. Choose from the following colors: blue, green, yellow, pink, red, orange and purple. Soft feel, TPE. Top reviews from the United States. A very useful and well-made USB cable in great colors. I received one of these cords for review in another color, thought it was well made, sturdy and colorful, but could not figure out why I would want a 6-foot USB cable. Until I needed to charge my cell phone while driving, and prefer to have it on the seat and not dangling at my ankles, so I bought another which matched my car, well, loosely. Honda doesn't do neon, and then, another for the kid with the Nintendo in the back seat. Okay, 6 feet is a pretty handy length after all. The cables are well made, work for charging and transferring data. The coverings are high quality, thick and not tacky, and they come in great colors which make them easy to find in the car, your bag, or wherever else you might leave them.